Alright, welcome back to another episode on the Marketplace Mistake BMW. On this episode, my BMW is misfiring again, and I figured since we already did the spark plugs and that didn't work, we might as well swap the coils next and see if that fixes it. First things first, I gotta get the cowling off. A couple bolts in, and yeah, I already broke that cheap ass BMW plastic for the windshield washer connector. Real niggas keep going though. I swear, this piece is more fragile than my girl's ego, and they both love testing me. Like DJ Ghost says. Next up, I'm pulling out the old coils. I inserted some POV footage so you guys can see how to do this shit the right way, and yank these motherfuckers out. These coils are old as hell, and you can see the wear on them. I'm pretty sure they're still the factory ones, and have never been replaced before. Make sure you pay attention to how they're seated, or you'll have a misfire still lurking around somewhere in your car. Next, the new coils go in, and make sure everything's seated properly. Take your time here. Don't just shove them in and hope that shit works. This is the part where I promise you, patience really pays off, especially in tight places like this engine bay, where there's really not a lot of room to work back towards that 5th and 6th cylinder. After all that, we got the moment of truth. I started it up, and the idle's still rough as hell, but that's just how I like it. This car loves to tease me. Anyways, I picked up the scanner and seen that cylinder 4 was still misfiring, even after double checking everything. Something's still off, but at least we know the coils aren't the issue this time. On top of that, the check engine light came on, and this car's shaking like a fucking fiend in need, and honestly, this is where shit starts to get frustrating, but also kind of fun. Seeing exactly what's happening, how each part interacts, and figuring out the real issue is a part of learning how to work on cars. If you decide to try this repair at home, take your time and make sure you double check all your connectors and that all your coils are seated properly. Honestly, I knew this car would come with its own set of issues that I hadn't noticed. But I'd be lying to you if I said I expected to encounter this many problems this early on. We haven't even modded anything yet. We're still on basic BMW maintenance, and I'm getting tired of being a responsible adult. I just want to throw some headlights, an exhaust, lowering springs, rims, and maybe a new windshield on the car and just call it a day. But my tranny might blow if I do that, or my engine might blow. I still have to do the valve cover gasket, fuel injectors, a complete transmission service, and check the brake pads, and by then we'll probably need another oil change on top of all of that. So I really do got all my work cut out for me, but I ain't complaining though. It'll all be worth it.